Hi, this is Tux. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make akara bean cake. Akara and pap or akara and bread is a popular Saturday breakfast in most Nigeria home. And apart from Saturday breakfast, akara and bread is a popular street breakfast or street food sold across Nigeria. So what is akara made of? Akara is made from beans, as the name implies. Bean cake is made from peeled soaked beans, and different people have different ways or different things in which they use in making the akara. But the constant ingredients are your soaked peeled beans, pepper, and onions. Other ingredients are based on your personal preference. As for me, I love to add dry crayfish in my akara. I just love to feel it when I eat my bean cake or akara. All you need to do is add in your beans, pepper, and onions into the blender and blend. And if you are an onion fan like me, you can as well dice your onion and add into the akara mix. And as for seasoning, I use just no seasoning and salt. Once my akara blend is ready, I pour it into a bowl, add in the rest of the ingredients and mix. Ensure you stir in your seasoning well to avoid it being on one side. Once everything is well combined, place your fry pan or a white pan on fire and add enough oil. With the head of a spoon, carefully scoop your akara mix into the heated oil. Ensure the oil is hot or well heated before adding in your akara mix. At this stage, ensure you keep your eye on your akara as you fry, or gently lower your heat to medium heat. Ensure the heat is not too much. Fry until it's golden brown. Like I mentioned earlier, different people have different akara preference. We have those that are fans of akara burgers, and that is akara and bread. We have those that like akara and pap, or akara and agidi, or akara and heko. And we also have a few set of people that like to eat their akara with garri. Let me know in the comment section your favorite akara combo. What do you like to eat your akara with? For those watching my video for the first time, my name is Talks Delight. On this page, I upload yummy and healthy food recipes, healthy drink recipes, career talks, travel vlog, some DIY recipes, and other interesting content. Ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified each time I post new videos. And to my Nigerian fans out there, when last did you eat akara? Or do you have a favorite joint or spot where you buy your akara from? Let me know in the comment section. And that will be all for today. See you some other time with another yummy recipe.